guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted my last video, so this time around I will be unboxing a new phone that I purchased in SM. So that is Asus Max Pro M2. So I actually wanted this phone because if you would check its features and everything, grabe, sobrang ganda niya. Sabay na patagalog. So anyway, etong phone na to, ito yung second choice ko aside from Asus Zen 5. So let's get into it. Before unboxing this phone, I wanted to tell you what are the inclusions when I purchase it in SM. So I have given two choices. It's from, I think, the best, or I mean, there is two categories. If you would choose power bank, you will be given tempered glass, free SIM card, card reader, magnetic function grip and stand, and then selfie stick. The second choice would be the speaker. Maliit lang siya. Kaso yung choices niya, it's not really compatible with what I want. So I have chosen, of course, the power bank. This power bank has a 7,200 So this power bank has a 7,200 mega ampere, and I think it could charge up to 2 phones fully charged depending on the capacity of your phone. Well, hindi siya kilala kung titignan nyo yung tatak. But anyway, that's still worth it. And then selfie stick, which is made in Japan, China, I think. And this would be the magnetic function grip. I think I'm not gonna use it kasi I'm a type of person na ayoko yung maraming abubot sa cellphone. Tama na siguro yung jelly case. And of course, the card reader. So these packages, it cost me 14,995, which is the regular price of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 nowadays. Kasi recently, pagkakaalam ko, nasa ano siya, basta mas mataas pa siya. So ayun, let me show you guys what we can get inside this box. Alright, let's go. Well, as you can see, yung box niya, it's not like the premium phones or the flagship Asus phones. Kasi as you can see, parang ganito lang siya, napakasimple niya. Unlike sa Zen 5, or Zen 5 Lite and Zen 5, I think, ano siya, yung parang siyang box ng iPhone na ginaganon na, tapos makapal, pwede mo siyang store, tago, ganon. So, what we can get inside is, of course, the manual. Before opening it up, let me just give you guys a short information about this Asus Max Pro M2. So this phone actually have a 6GB of RAM, which is really better for a person who loves gaming, and it has 64GB internal storage. It is a dual SIM card, which is compatible with LTE 4G, and it has 6.3 FHD display. And of course, the camera, which is I really wanted about this phone. The rear camera contains 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel in-depth. And then the front-facing camera, it has 13 megapixel. Okay, so what we can get first would be this. Inside this small box, we have the SIM ejector, the crystal case, which comes with the box, not from the freebies of SM, and the warranty card, and of course, the manual. Let me set it aside. And the next thing you will be able to get with this is actually the unit itself. Okay, so let me set it aside first. Let me show you what are the accessories we can get these. Alright, so we have the headset, 3.5 jack, I think. And of course, it has different choices for earbuds. Siyempre, hindi mawawala, cable charger, and the adapter. So, yun lang yung makukuha natin na accessories inside this box. The typical accessories that you can get at most of those phones. Alright, so I'm so kind of excited to show you guys the features of this phone. So let's start at the bottom. So at the bottom, you can see the 3.5 jack. We have the main microphone, USB 2.0, and the speaker. Siguro for me, ang cons lang sa akin sa phone na to is yung battery. I mean, not the battery, but the charging port. Kasi yung charging port niya is 2.0, and I feel like it's pretty much better kung ginawa nila tong 3 pa yun, yung below. Basta yun na yan. So on top of the phone, you will be able to see the second microphone. I think this is for noise reduction. And then on the side, we have the SIM slot. On the other side, we have the power button and the volume up and down. On the back of the phone, you will be able to see the sensor where you can actually use your fingerprint to open the phone. And then this is the 12 megapixel camera, and this is the 5 megapixel in-depth camera. And on the front of the phone, here is the sensor. And here is the 13 megapixel front camera. Okay, so for now, that's what I'm gonna show you guys. Maybe I will be showing you how it works, what's in it for us, specifically the camera, in my next video. Thank you for watching.